You've been meaning to update your menu or service price list for months. Maybe it's got old prices on it. Maybe it just looks like something you threw together in 10 minutes. Because you did. Here's something that might change your week. With AI, you can go from a messy notes app to a polished, professional price list in about 20 minutes. Let's talk about how to actually do this, step by step, without the tech headaches. Gather your info first. Before you open any AI tool, spend 5 minutes writing things down. Don't worry about how it looks or sounds. Just dump everything out. Every item or service you offer, your current prices, any variations like sizes or add-ons, and a quick note on what makes each thing worth paying for. Messy is completely fine at this stage. Here's an honest limitation right up front though. AI cannot figure out what you should charge. It doesn't know your market, your competitors, or your cost of goods. If your prices are wrong, AI will just make them look prettier. So if you're unsure what to charge, do that research first. Writing a prompt that actually works. Most people go wrong here. They open an AI tool and type, "Make me a menu," and get back something that sounds like a chain restaurant in an airport. The output is only as good as what you put in. Here's what works. Tell the AI what kind of business you run, where you're located, and who your customers are. Paste in your raw list. Specify the tone you want, warm and casual, professional and clean, or upscale. Tell it to format things with clear category headings, item names, short one-sentence descriptions, and prices. And include this line. Tell it not to add anything you haven't listed. AI tools will sometimes invent plausible-sounding items just to fill space. You don't want a service showing up that you don't actually offer. Which AI tool should you use? ChatGPT is the most flexible option for this kind of writing task. The free version handles basic drafts fine. The paid version, $20 a month, is noticeably better at matching tone. Always double-check every single number before you print or post anything. Claude, made by Anthropic, tends to write clean, straightforward copy without unnecessary adjectives. If you want a price list that sounds confident and grounded, Claude often nails that tone right out of the box. The free version has usage limits, so you might hit a wall with lots of back-and-forth editing. Canva has an AI writing feature called Magic Write. It's not as powerful as ChatGPT or Claude for building copy from scratch, but its real value is this. Write your price list in another AI tool, paste it into a Canva template, and have a visually polished, printable document in another 10 minutes. Refining until it sounds like you. Don't stop at the first draft. Read it out loud. Does it sound like your business? Or does it sound like a hotel brochure from 2015? Follow up prompts that actually help. Tell it the descriptions are too formal. Ask it to rewrite them like a real person talking to a regular customer. Ask it to shorten everything to one line each. Ask it to reorganize so your most popular items come first. Tell the AI to highlight specific things like dietary options or local ingredients, without making a taco truck sound like a 5-star restaurant. Most people get to a version they're happy with after 2 or 3 rounds of edits. The whole thing, start to finish, really does land around 20 minutes. Bottom line, if you've got a price list that's been embarrassing you, or a menu you keep meaning to fix, you've got no more excuses. Spend 5 minutes writing down what you offer, paste it into a prompt, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. That's a problem worth solving today.